A family was returning home from church and had just parked their car when, out of nowhere, a dog suddenly jumped at their young daughter. The parents quickly tried to protect her, but the dog was extremely aggressive and uncontrollable. Many people nearby tried to intervene, but the dog was too dangerous. The father pulled a knife from his pocket and managed to injure the dog, stopping the attack. Unfortunately, the daughter was badly hurt and was rushed to the hospital immediately. There was a bike accident, but it wasn't just any accident. It revealed someone's true nature. When the accident happened, the boy immediately got up, but the girl, who had fallen to the side, was seriously injured. The boy got up and checked his bike first. He cared more about something that might be replaceable than a living person. This shows how people really are around you and how much you matter to them. The boy did try to help the girl get up, but in the wrong way, he ended up going back to his bike. The audience should think carefully and choose who they want to stay with. The daughter of a cryptocurrency company boss narrowly escaped a street kidnapping in Paris. The girl was screaming while she was with her 2-year-old child, desperately trying to protect the baby. The child's father intervened and fought off the attackers, forcing the kidnappers to flee and saving both of their lives. If you find videos like this interesting, the family was unloading their belongings from the car when suddenly the woman felt something was wrong. From the left side of the road, a car appeared, racing at full speed. Fear and suspense flashed across her face. If you enjoy watching such thrilling videos, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. The speeding car rushed forward, and the woman quickly ran inside her house, locking the door behind her. Moments later, the thieves grabbed a bag from the car and sped away. And remember, if you ever feel something like this in real life, be careful. A man was sliding on the snow when suddenly he saw something strange. Shocked, he turned around to see what it was. If you enjoy watching videos like this, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. As he walked closer, he noticed another man trapped in the snow. Only his feet were moving while the rest of his body was stuck underneath. Quickly, the first man rushed to clear the snow and help him out. Fortunately, there was one good thing. The man who had fallen was wearing a helmet, which allowed him to breathe even while stuck in the snow. He had simply fallen upside down and couldn't get out on his own. Thanks to that helmet, his life was saved. A little child is crying. Suddenly, he pushes a dog and starts screaming. The dog viciously bites him, grabs him, and runs away. The man suddenly chases after them with an axe. The dog throws the child down and runs off. Take care of your children. A rude old woman signals to a young lady, demanding her seat. At first, the young woman scolds her angrily. But when the old woman strikes her bag a second time, the young lady loses her temper. She hands her own bag to someone else, then pushes the old woman so hard that she falls onto another seat. The old woman shouts, "I told you to give me your seat." The young lady replies, "Then why were you hitting me with your bag?" Furious, the old woman storms off, saying she will file a complaint. Audience, tell us, who do you think was at fault here? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment on our channel. A puppy is lying on the road, but no one seems to notice. A man suddenly kicks him with his leg. But it didn't stop there. He kept hitting the dog again in another spot. The dog tried to get up and run, but this horrible man kept beating him repeatedly. On the other side of the road, he didn't leave him alone. He grabbed him and began hitting him harder and harder, just telling this hurts so much, the way people can be. Then, a second man sees it, gets very angry, pushes the abuser, and they start fighting. But it doesn't end there. There are many cruel people who mistreat animals. Treat animals with love. A man who steals openly calls himself a thief. When the cameraman asked him, "What are you doing?" he admitted, "I'm a thief." After breaking a bicycle lock, he rode away with the bike. But here's the shocking twist. On the very next road, he met a girl who sat on the bike with him and went along. Like and subscribe to my video.